Today let us know how does Azure Data Factory work and the benefits of Azure Data Factory. So let us see how does Azure Data Factory works step by step. With these 4 steps: connect and collect, transform and enrich, publish and monitor. First, connect and collect. Azure Data Factory can connect to all your data and processing sources, including SaaS, file sharing and other internet services. Since the data is time-sliced, you can select either a one-time or a scheduled pipeline mode. So the next step is to consolidate the data stored in on-premises and cloud-based data services into a single location in the cloud, where it can be analyzed further. So this is connecting and collecting. Next, transforming and enrich. Once saved in a centralized data storage location, the data can be transformed using Azure Data Lake Analytics, HD Insight Hadoop and machine learning. You can take advantage of data flows to create and manage data transformation graphs without having to know anything about Spark clusters or Spark programming. Data Factory connects to and retrieves data from numerous data sources, transfers the data to a central location and performs the data processing to clean and enrich this data. Next, third one, publish. Lastly, the cloud data is converted to on-premises sources such as SQL Server or stored in cloud storage for business intelligence and analytics applications. Next, fourth one is monitoring. Once your data integration pipeline has been deployed successfully, you can monitor it via Azure Monitor API, Azure Monitor Logs and PowerShell. Azure Monitor can be configured to receive diagnostic logs generated by Azure Data Factory. You can then stream the generated logs to Azure Event Hubs and analyze the logs using log analytics. So this is the process of Azure Data Factory working. Next, the benefits of Azure Data Factory. The Azure Data Factory provides the benefits like reduced cost, increased productivity, flexibility, enhanced scalability, and better security. First, reduced cost. Save on infrastructure cost by using the cloud rather than on-premises resources. Next, increased productivity. With the drag and drop interface, you can create and schedule data pipelines without having to write complex codes. This reduces development time and increases productivity. Next, flexibility. Azure Data Factory offers a flexible platform that you can connect with diverse data sources both within and outside Azure. So this is one of the main benefits of Azure Data Factory. Next, enhanced scalability. Azure Data Factory scales up or down as needed. So you can pay only for the resources you have used. Next, better security. Azure Active Directory is used for authentication and authorization, which secures your data. Next, real-world use cases. Azure Data Factory is attempt at moving data between on-premises data stores and cloud-based data stores. This can be useful if you are migrating to the cloud or if you need to keep your on-premises and cloud data stores in synchronization. Another common use case is synchronizing data between multiple cloud-based data stores. This can be useful if you have multiple applications or services that need access to the same data. An organization could also use Data Factory for extract, transform, and load operations. So this is for when you would like to perform complex transformations on your data. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.